Thunderstorm. It was evening, and Gattu Chinky were playing on the ground. Then suddenly they noticed that black clouds were gathering in the sky, and it was getting dark due to this. Mummy came out of the house.
Gattu Chinky, kids, come inside. I think a storm is coming very soon.
As soon as they listened to Mummy's warning word, Gattu Chinky ran towards her. Mummy, Gattu and Chinky, all three of them were now standing at the gate of their house and were looking up. Then it started raining heavily.
Gattu Chinky, let's go inside our home. Hurry up. Okay, Mummy, let's go.
As soon as all three of them entered their house, they heard a loud sound of lightning. And few seconds after this, all the lights in their house went off automatically. Gattu Chinky were very scared and hugged their mother.
Mummy, what's happening? How did the lights go off all of a sudden? I'm very scared, Mummy. Yes, Mummy. What happened to the lights? Gattu is very scared of darkness. Gattu dear, don't be scared. Chinky, I think because of heavy rain, there is a short circuit. And because of this, the lights went off. But you don't worry, lights will be back in no time. Mummy, I'm really very scared. It is so dark in the house. Mummy, why don't we light up some candles? There will be some light and then Gattu won't be scared. Yes, you're right, Chinky. Come, let's go and find some candles together.
Mummy turned the light on her phone. Then she asked Gattu and Chinky to sit down and went to search for candles in the bedroom.
Gattu Chinky, see, I found some candles. Come, let's keep them all across the room and light them. Then it will give us light.
Gattu Chinky helped Mummy to light up the candles. Suddenly a bolt of lightning struck again loudly and scared all of them. That is when someone knocked on their door.
Hey Chinky, who will come at such a bad weather? Is it some kind of ghost? Hey Gattu, why are you scaring us by talking like this? Surely someone else must have come. Kids, there is no such thing as a ghost. I will go and open the gate. Let's see who is it.
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Mummy opened the door and stepped back. She saw that someone was standing outside their door in wet clothes. The person was unrecognizable due to the darkness. Gattu Chinky closed their eyes and started shouting ghost ghost. But Mummy calmed them down.
Guys, this is not a ghost. Please open your eyes and see carefully.
Gattu Chinky opened their eyes and looked ahead. It was no one else but their papa standing over there. Gattu Chinky, how can you mistake me for a ghost? Huh? Mummy started laughing.
Papa, we were already scared due to electricity. And when we saw you in the darkness, we got scared even more. Yes, Papa, this is what happened. But, Papa, you are completely soaked. You should change your clothes or else you might get sick.
Hearing this, Papa also started laughing. He took the torch and went to change the clothes. When he returned, he saw that Gattu, Chinky and Mummy had lit the candles all across the room. The light went off as there was a short circuit on the nearest electric pole. And it could have taken 4-5 hours more to solve the problem. Hearing this, Mummy was a bit upset.
Now, how am I going to cook food and do many other things without light?
Don't worry. Today we will all help you in preparing the food. Hearing this, Gattu Chinky got excited.
Yes, Mummy, we will help you to cook food.
Saying this, Gattu Chinky helped Mummy to lit up some candles in the kitchen and Papa started chopping vegetables. After some time, when the dinner was ready, Gattu Chinky carried the pots to the dining table. Once again, suddenly they heard a loud noise of lightning. It scared Gattu Chinky once again. Mummy and Papa were worried about seeing scared Gattu Chinky. But then Papa had an idea. Kids, do you want to hear a story while eating?
What kind of story, Papa? Papa, will it be a horror story?
No, dear. It's not a horror story. Actually, I'm going to tell you a story from my past when I was a kid.
Papa, were you as young as us? When did it happen?
Yes, dear. When I was your age, I used to live in a small village with my parents. and we had lights only for some time.
Papa, how did you watch TV then? If we don't have electricity, then we might miss our favorite TV show. Yes, Papa. Even today we are having dinner without watching TV, and we are missing our favorite show. Dear, at that time we rarely had TV at our homes.
Gattu Chinky were surprised to hear this.
So what you used to do, Papa? Tell us.
All right, I will tell you all of this. But first you have to help Mummy put some candles on the dining table. Then I will continue. Gattu Chinky quickly helped Mummy, and then everyone took their seat at the dining table.
Now tell us, Papa, what you used to do. I am very excited to know all of these things.
Kids, at that time in our village, the lights used to come only once in 2-3 days. And we were used to doing all the chores without electricity. We used to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and finish most of the work before it got dark. We all used to sleep at 7-8 at night.
What? You used to sleep so early? And you used to wake so early? Yes, in earlier times, people used to sleep early and get up early.
And that is why neither I nor Mummy are scared that we don't have light.
Wow, this is really very amazing, Papa.
They were all chatting when the lights came back.
Great, the lights are back. But I was starting to enjoy things without lights. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe. Twitter Kids!
Dad teaches Gattu Chinky. Gattu Chinky's quarterly exams were about to start after 3 weeks, and both of them were roaming behind Mummy in the kitchen.
Mummy, when will your work be over? We have to study. You are the one who always help us study for exams. Please teach us quickly. Yes, Mummy. You still have so much to teach us. So much syllabus is left. This time we are very scared of exams, Mummy. Oh, 4 kids. See how much work I still have to do in the kitchen. You both do one thing. Go to your papa. Right now he is free in the living room and will teach you both.
Gattu Chinky calmed down after hearing about studying from Papa. But in the living room, Papa had heard about teaching Gattu Chinky.
Chinky, let us quietly go inside our rooms before Papa comes. Yes, Gattu. Otherwise, Papa will come in Sharma sir's mode. Remember? Sharma sir is the strictest teacher in the school. Papa is even more strict in teaching us, Chinky. Let's go. Otherwise, we will definitely get caught today.
But as soon as Gattu Chinky turned to go to their room, Papa comes from behind. What happened, Gattu Chinky? Where are you both going? I heard that you both have to study for the exams.
Actually, Papa, why do you worry? Right now, Chinky and I will go to play. Then when Mummy gets free, then she can teach us. Yes, Papa. You should enjoy your leave, na? Why are you taking stress? You get only 1 leave in a week, right? What? No, kids. I have a lot of work. And what is the problem for both of you in studying from Papa? Go and get your bags.
Yes, both of you quickly get your bags and come to the living room. Today we will study together, kids. Then Gattu Chinky have to accept defeat. And both of them bring their bags from their rooms and sit in the living room. Then tell me, Gattu Chinky, which is your first exam?
Papa, that is science.
Okay, then quickly take out the science book. I will ask you some questions first and then explain the concepts which you guys do not know. Okay?
Okay, Papa. Take the science book.
Okay then. First of all, you both sit straight and your focus should only be on the book in front. Okay?
Yes, Papa. Understood.
Yes. The name of the first chapter is plants and their importance. Tell me, Gattu, what do we get from plants?
We get, Papa, from plants we get carbon dioxide from plants.
On hearing Gattu's answer, Papa angrily says to him while scolding, What? Gattu, this was such an easy question. You got confused even in this? Plants do not give us CO2, but oxygen.
Oh, yes, Papa. Sorry, I got confused.
Okay, come on. Now I will explain this chapter to both of you. After that, I will ask you questions. But listen carefully. If both of you don't listen to me carefully, then you will not be able to answer the questions.
Okay, Papa. We will listen carefully and understand.
Then Papa starts explaining the chapter to Gattu and Chinky. But suddenly, Gattu's attention goes to the kitchen. As soon as Gattu's attention is diverted, Papa asks both of them a question. Yes, Gattu, tell me the answer to this. But Gattu's attention was somewhere else, and he's unable to listen to Papa. Gattu, Gattu, where is your attention?
What? Papa, what were you asking?
I have asked you a question. Answer it for me, and that too quickly.
Papa, I need to go to the washroom right now. Now when you are just scolding Gattu, can I go to the washroom till then?
Oh. Okay. Go and come back quickly, Chinky. And after that, don't even move from here. Chinky comes back from the washroom quickly. Then Papa angrily tells both of them, now none of you two will go anywhere until I explain this chapter to both of you properly. Not at all till then. Both of you understood?
Yes, Papa, yes.
Yes. So plants do photosynthesis. And what all do they need for doing it?
Light?
Yes, and what else? Do they need only light? Or do they need anything else?
Oxygen?
Hey, we get oxygen from plants. They do not need any oxygen. Come on now, tell me. I had just told you both. And both of you forgot so soon? Gattu Chinky are unable to say anything further due to fear and become quiet. Seeing this, Papa gets even angrier. I am explaining this for the last time. Listen carefully. Plants need CO2, sunlight, chlorophyll, and water for photosynthesis. Then Gattu Chinky start listening to Papa carefully. Both of them try to remember things because they did not want to be scolded. Then Mummy comes over there and says,
It's quite late. Should I bring snacks for all of you? Take a little break and then study further.
No. Let them study first. Bring snacks after that. Otherwise, they will get distracted again. If they are in focus, then they should be left maintaining that only.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay then, I'm going.
Hearing this, Mummy leaves from there. And Papa again starts teaching Gattu Chinky. After explaining for a long time, Gattu Chinky understand that chapter well. And they give correct answers to all the questions asked by Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Now whatever question comes from this chapter, I will solve it easily. And me too.
Welcome, children. Then hearing their talk, Mummy also comes over there and says,
Wow, it seems you guys have finished your studies. Yes, Mummy, and we understood all the concepts well. Yes, we felt a little scared, but it's okay.
Well, Chinky, if you guys have understood everything so well, then why don't I teach you tomorrow too? Gattu Chinky gets scared after hearing Papa's words.
What? No, Papa. You don't take tension. Mummy's here. Mummy will teach us. Yes, Papa. And tomorrow you will have office too. You don't worry. We will manage somehow.
Hearing such things from Gattu Chinky, Mummy and Papa start laughing. Seeing them laughing, Gattu Chinky also start laughing. And then everyone has breakfast together. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntun Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG, and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe. Puntun Kids! Gattu, look! We have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Fear is not allowed. It's Sunday today. Gattu and Chinky have come to the park for a picnic with their mummy and papa. Mummy has prepared their favorite food for everyone. For papa, she has prepared hot aloo parathas. Wow, today it is going to be fun. And cheese sandwich was prepared for Gattu.
Wow, yummy!
Dhokla was prepared for Chinky.
Dhokla, my all-time favorite. Thank you, Mummy.
And mummy has prepared besan chila for herself. And what's more, she has also brought pineapple juice for everyone. Everyone starts eating their food happily. Everyone finishes their breakfast in a short while. Papa gets busy reading the newspaper. Then mummy starts reading her favorite magazine.
Chinky, Mummy Papa are busy reading now. Why don't we play some cricket meanwhile?
Yes, let's play. It will be fun.
But what?
But where will we get the wickets?
Here, this tree will become a wicket.
Okay then. But I'm going to bat first.
No problem.
Chinky starts hitting one good shot after another. Gattu has to run away to pick up the ball again and again. And then Gattu throws a full toss ball. Chinky hits with her bat very forcefully. And the ball goes straight into the fort in the front.
What did you do, Chinky? Now, how will we get the ball?
Don't you have another ball, Gattu?
No.
Then let's go inside this fort. If we search together, we will definitely find the ball.
When observed carefully, that fort looked many years old. Its walls and doors were broken. A lot of bushes had grown inside that fort. Gattu and Chinky slowly started moving towards the fort. In a little while, they reached the door of the fort.
Chinky, I am feeling scared.
What is there to be scared of, Gattu? There is light all around.
Gattu and Chinky start looking for their ball here and there. It's evening while they're looking for it, but they do not find the ball.
Oh, where the ball went?
Chinky, now leave the ball and let's get out of here.
But why?
Sunset is about to start, Chinky. Shortly we will not be able to see anything here. And also I'm very scared.
What is there to be scared about, Gattu? We have a flashlight, right?
Chinky turns on her flashlight and starts looking for the ball again. In a short while, a bat passes in front of Gattu and Chinky. Gattu gets very scared on seeing it.
Chinky, just now a bat has passed from here. I'm telling you, we must get out of here.
No, Gattu. It is not a bat. It must be some other bird.
Yes, maybe you are right. I am getting scared for no reason.
In a little while, the sun sets completely, and there is complete pitch darkness all around. Then the sound of a door opening and closing starts coming. Gattu gets scared again.
Chinky, some door is closing on its own and opening on its own. How can this be happen? There is definitely someone here.
Oh, Gattu. There is no one here. Look how fast the wind is blowing. It is possible that the door is shaking because of the wind.
Yes, it is possible. I am scared for no reason.
Gattu and Chinky again get busy in searching for their ball. Just then, Gattu feels something on his neck and he starts screaming.
Ah, snake, snake, snake. Chinky, save me. Chinky, save me.
Oh, Gattu, this is not a snake but a vine.
As Chinky shows Gattu the leafy vine, he gets back to normal.
Oh, yes. This is a vine of leaves. I am getting scared for no reason.
I have been explaining this to you for so long, but you don't understand.
Gattu had now started to feel that there is no ghost in this fort. Now he also starts looking for the ball with Chinky without any fear. But after a while, Gattu and Chinky start to hear the sound of shoes. It seems as if someone is walking on the dry leaves and coming towards them fast.
Gattu, can you hear this voice? It seems as if someone is coming towards us.
I can also feel the same, Chinky.
Then let's run away from here.
Gattu and Chinky start running very fast to get out of the fort, but they are unable to find a way out of there.
Come, let's go that way.
No, over there. Maybe the way out is this way.
Gattu and Chinky are looking for a way to get out when they start hearing the sound of bangles clinking.
This sounds like a sound of bangles. This must be some witch. Let's run away from here.
Gattu and Chinky keep running from one place to another, but they don't find a way to get out. After running for a long time, they stop at one place and stand there. Both of them are breathing very fast. That's when they start hearing someone whispering.
Gattu, it seems that the witch has come over here and now she is talking to someone.
Meaning, we will have to run away from here too.
Gattu and Chinky start running away without thinking. After running for a long time, they find a way out.
Chinky, that's the way out.
As soon as Gattu and Chinky get out, their mummy papa are standing in front of them.
Gattu, Chinky, where were you both?
We both were inside, Mummy. There is a witch inside. Let's go from here.
A witch? How do you know? Did you see her?
We did not see her, but we heard her voice.
We heard the sound of her feet. She was walking towards us very fast. Maybe there was someone else with her.
We ran away from there, but then afterwards we heard the sound of her bangles.
We ran away from there too, but then we heard her whispering. She was probably talking to someone.
Hearing all this, mummy papa start laughing loudly. Gattu and Chinky start looking at them with surprise and big eyes.
Mummy, Papa, why are you both laughing?
It is a matter of laughter only. Dear, there was no witch inside.
Then who was it?
That sound of the shoes, right? That was me and your papa. We were inside.
And that sound of the bangles, those were your mummy's bangles.
And that whispering voice? Me and your papa were talking to each other. When we were not able to find you both, so we thought we should try and make some strategy to find you both. So we both started talking.
Oh, meaning there is no witch inside?
No. Let's go home now. It is very dark now.
But Mummy, my batting has not come yet.
Next Sunday we will come here again, dear. Then you can bat.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.